be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this.
Welcome to another episode of Red Screen Ninja. Hope everyone is having a good day today. Today this is a special edition that we're going to be doing. It is the Oklahoma lottery tickets. We have here 4 of the $10 Cash King scratch off tickets. So basically this says that you match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers and you win the prize shown for that number. Reveal a win $50 symbol and instantly win $50. Reveal a win $100 symbol, instantly win $100. Reveal a win $500, instantly win $500. Okay, easy enough. I have here a gold coin we got from the Four Queens Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. We won this. It was the only slot machine left that was spitting out gold coins. It took us about $20 to win this. So this is going to be my lucky coin I'm going to use to scratch off these Oklahoma lottery tickets. Alright, so here we go. Also, we did buy a sequence of tickets, number 22, 23, 24, and 25. I want to see what you guys think about my theory of buying these straight in a row, if it's a good thing, not a good thing. Have you guys ever won 4 tickets in a row or whatnot? But I have a thing where you should buy every other ticket just because, you know, not like a slot machine where they hit back to back once they're hot, but who knows. Okay, so the first row I scratched off number 16, 13, 21, 9, 31, 30, and 51. Alright, and we have here 4 rows, so we have about 20 chances of winning. Let's go. 35 for 500, not a win. 17 for 200, not a win. Let's hope we reveal some of these instant symbols. 27. And it looks like the max you can win on these tickets, you guys, for the Cash King is up to $100,000. Okay. I don't see a winner on the first row. Next one. Have you guys ever played this before? And what do you like about it, and what are your thoughts on it? I'd like to hear about it. If you have bought these tickets, what's the most you've ever won? I'm not sure if I've ever won on these tickets before, so hopefully these 4 tickets I have, one of them will be a winner. Alrighty. Row number 2. No winner chicken dinner for us. Okay. Second one. 44. 20, number 8, number 34. So far we don't have a winner on this one, guys. Maybe the next one will be a good one, but again, just like your typical slot machine, don't give up until you are down to your last dollar. So I'm going to scratch all the way until I finish. Okay, 37, 15, 40. This one's a bust. 14, and number 45. Alright, so as you can see here, the first ticket was not a winner. Again, let me double check this to be sure, but I did not see a winner while I was scratching this. So we're going to put this one to the side. This one was the first one of the sequence I bought. Moving on to the next one. Let's hope this one is a winner. 28, 22, 49, 17, 42, 19, and number 3. I don't know about you guys, but when you scratch lottery tickets, if you see a number come up, whether you like it or not, do you feel discouraged by the whole ticket? Is it like a bad thing, a good thing? Because I didn't see any of my favorite numbers pop up, so I don't have a good feeling about this ticket. Let's see here. Come on, I hope one of these are winners. Number 3. Oh, we win! Look at that. We won on the first row. That's beautiful. All right, see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, every other ticket is a winner. So number 3, we won 20 bucks right off the bat. Alrighty. That's a beautiful start. I noticed that once I get a ticket that has a win, you're gonna get another win. I mean, seriously, I always get at least 1, 2 or more wins on one ticket if I get a win on the first row or so. Hopefully this one's gonna be a good one. I mean, 20 bucks is not bad to start off with anyways. All right, so number 12, number 30, 26, 44, number 8. Okay, second row was not a win, but that's okay. We still have our $20 win. We have doubled our money. Number 20, number 43, number 18. Come on, give me an instant reveal. Come on. 41, number 15. All right, third row, not a winner. So let's see if my theory on that is correct or not. Once you get a win, you should get another win. But since number 3 started off with 20 bucks, that just may be the only win. 6, 33, 46. Ooh, that would have been nice. 46 for 500. Number 9. And number 39. All right, you guys, so that proved me wrong. Looks like number 3 was the only one we won, which was a $20 win. I don't see any other wins on my chart here unless I'm missing it. No. Okay, not bad. Okay, so the second card of our sequence won 20 bucks. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say with my theory that this card won't be a winner and my next card will be a winner just because, you know, it's like every other card wins. All right, so let's start with this one. Here's number 29, number 40. Have any of you guys ever took these winning numbers that you scratch off and went and bought a quick pick with it or anything? If your card is a good winning card, I mean, it could be a good thing, you know? All right, so we got 29, 40, 17, 45, 31, 21, and number 7. All right, let's see if my theory checks out again. 36. I'm gonna say this card's not gonna be a winner, and hopefully it'll prove me wrong. 28. Have any of you guys ever bought lottery tickets where you had cards that won back to back in a row when you bought like the same, like a row of it? I'd like to hear it, let me know. Okay, so the first row was not a winner. We got 36, 28, 43, 25, and number 4. And we don't have any of those numbers at the top. Next row. Number 3. Ooh, for $1,000. And we're not a winner. Okay. Come on, winner. Number 12. Not a winner. Number 34. Nope. I'm telling you guys. Yeah, it sucks because you can't be like, give me one every other ticket from the lottery scratch off row, but you know, there's proof right here that I feel like every other ticket is a winner. So maybe we shouldn't buy them in a row because they only let you win every once in a while. Okay, so far. Come on, we have not got an instant reveal yet. What is up with that? 20 and number 22. All right, so that, so far, our first 3 rows are not winners. Moving on to the next one. Okay, 15, 38, 39, 21. Oh, we got another winner, you guys. I'm wrong. Okay, so my theory is wrong. That's 2 cards in a row that we've won. Number 21 right here for $10. Too bad it's not any bigger than that, but oh well. This one is number 24 for $10,000. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that proved my theory wrong again. Okay, so we are putting our hypothesis to test, and here comes the result. So I said that out of these cards, if you buy them in sequence, they won't win, and I just proved myself wrong because number 23 and 24 are both winners. I won number 3 for 20 bucks on that one, and this one 21 for another $10. So it's not true. If you buy them in sequence, they won't win because I just won in sequence of buying the 23 card, 24 card. But as far as me saying that once I get a winner, I usually get another winner, and these 2 cards prove here that my theory was wrong. So this one is a winner and this one is a winner. So we got our money back. Out of $40, we got back 30 bucks. Not bad. All right, so our next card is our last one. And let's hope this one will give us a symbol reveal since we have not gotten it yet. Alright. I don't think the symbol reveal will be up on this row, but so far we got 49, 3, 32, 15, 29, 51, and 31. Alright. If you guys like this, let us know. We would like to make this like a special edition on our channel just to keep it fun, and let us know what lottery tickets you'd like to see us scratch, because sometimes we seem to go to the same ones over and over, and if there's a different one that we are missing out on, let us know. We'll try to get it and make a video for you guys. Alright, so the first row was 11, 37, 5, 47, 25. Not a winner. Okay, next one. 41. 33. This one might be a losing card since we did just get 2 in a row. But prove me wrong. Let's see. Okay, 41, 33, 45, 9, and 1. Not a winner. Next row. 14. 19, 34. This is like hitting the button until you get like a red spin. It's kind of like exciting. Okay, here we go. We got 14, 19, 34, 43, and 21 not winners. Okay, the last row. If this is not a winner, then we got 2 out of 4 cards that won. 28. And no symbol reveal. What is up with that? Number 30. 44. Come on, symbol reveal. 23. Last one. Alright. Winner, chicken dinner. Number 8. And da-da-da. That was not a winning card at all. So let's see, we are going to double check it just to make sure that we did not win, because sometimes I can miss it. Okay, this card was not a winner. So number 25, which was the last one they pulled out, was not a winner. 24, we won $10. Got our money back on this one. Number 23, we won 20 bucks, so we got our money back on this one. And the first one, we didn't win anything either. So out of 40 bucks, we made well, we didn't make any money, but we got back 30 bucks, so we were down $10. All right, so you guys I hope you enjoyed that. Let us know what you think. If there's any other lottery tickets you'd like for us to make a video on, let us know. And if you enjoyed this video as much as I have, be sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so we can make more videos like this. You guys have a great day. Goodbye.